All right, it's number 9, lesson 3.7. X squared times y plus x times y squared equals 6. In the directions say find dy over dx. So you're supposed to find the derivative. This is what's known as implicit differentiation, because if something's implied, it's kind of hidden. So the y coordinate's kind of hidden in the equation. It's not explicitly defined with y equals a function of x. The x's and y's are mixed together. When we have that, we use what's called implicit differentiation. So right here I see a multiplication and I see variables to both sides, so you have to use the product rule there. So I'm going to take x squared times the derivative of y, which is dy over dx, plus y times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. So that's the product rule. On this second term, I'm going to have to use the product rule again. We go x times the derivative of y squared, which is 2y times dy over dx, plus y squared times the derivative of x, which is 1. And then the derivative of 6 would just be 0. So that's the product rule done twice. Any questions about that? All right, the second step in implicit differentiation is to keep all the terms that have the dy dx on the left side, or at least keep them on one side of the equal sign, move everything else to the other side. So the addition symbols are what separate this into different terms. I see 4 terms on the left side of this equation. The terms that don't have a dy dx, like 2xy over here, I'm going to move that to the right side by doing minus 2xy. Move this y squared to the other side by subtracting y squared off both sides. Everything else that has the dy dx, leave that on the left side. And instead of x2y, I'm going to call it 2xy. Normally we just put things in alphabetical order. So that's step 2 on most problems that involve implicit differentiation. Step 3 is to factor out the dy over dx out of all the terms on the left. That's step 3. Step 4 is to divide by whatever is left after you factor, because this is multiplication here, so we can get rid of this x squared plus 2xy by dividing on both sides. You cancel these. So the answer comes out to dy over dx equals negative 2xy minus y squared over x squared plus 2xy.